Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am off and I've just been trying to catch up with some e-learning that we had to do from work, but that one is by the side. Something just happened right now. So I just got a package from Shein. I ordered this because some things have started to happen. So I placed an order for a belt and a tripod stand because I don't have a tripod stand that is short enough for me to carry around. I think I'm starting to vlog more, especially as I'm moving around. I need something that can stand on its own. So I ordered those two things from Shein and it just came. So this is sort of an unbox with me kind of video. Alright, so I hope Alright, so this is the tripod. I'm going to actually thought it was going to be bigger than this, but this is the size that we are working with. Alright. Oh, it's cute. Actually, I thought it was going to be bigger. Let me know why. Alright. So I'll set that down. So the reason I got this one is because it can stand independently, and the best part is because I can operate it remotely. See, there's this remote that comes with it, and I don't have to be close to the phone, to be able to operate it. I hope it came with a battery. If not, I have to go look for battery to this thing. Most of them don't come with batteries, so I won't even be surprised to see no batteries. This is what the remote looks like. Alright, yeah, and this is just the phone holder that goes on this part. Oh, I see, you're supposed to screw this on. This does that mean I'm not be carrying screwdriver up and down? I don't understand. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so to the belt. This one I hope is long enough, because people like me who are tall, we struggle to find the right size. It has one smell. This would have been equation. Anyway, let me try it on first. So the reason I decided to get this belt was because I started to get lower back aches from this job that I've just started in the UK. So I got this because some of my colleagues had advised me that it would work, or it will help with back support and all of that. So that is the reason why I got this one. That is all of the things that I bought. I'm not too disappointed. I just feel like the belt could be a bit firmer. I don't know, but that's just me. Morning everybody. Also the night it snowed. Asha, let's go. Like, it really snowed, it poured. And all the while, I thought we were approaching spring, so it's not going to be as cold as it used to be. So we have Daniel in the buggy, and Asha is walking. In my head, I was thinking we're already approaching spring. There's no need. Life is not that hard. You can put on basically anything. As from now on. When you see this sun, forget it.
Hello.
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 Let's go snowball fight.
My temperature is getting warm.
It's getting warmer, yes.
Undo it. No. Mommy,
Careful, careful. Alright, Asha, the gate is open now. Bye. Careful and stop running. The floor is slippery. Bye, darling. Give your brother a hug.
Bye, Daniel. Bye,
There we go. What'd you say? Thank you, Mommy. All right. People will know that it's the people's first time in real snow on the streets. My hands are frozen.